that you have said. I wanted to call for an executive session, but I think with what Senator Aminu Abbas said, I think we are done. Mr. Dapo Shegun and your members of your team, please. We need to understand one thing, emphasizing from what my colleagues said. This is in the discharge of our responsibilities to the country. And our here means second person plural, including you. Nobody wants the GMD here for anything. And the GMD is way below the National Assembly. We are sitting on mandate here, while he is sitting on appointment. He can be fired tomorrow. Nobody fires me. It is only the people that elected me that can recall me. Nobody on the surface of the earth. And like I said earlier, this is not targeted at anybody. It is not meant to antagonize anybody or pull anybody down. And the issues we're talking about are all from your document. This letter is signed by you, Mr. Dapo Shegun, and you are not an aide to the group.
The letter to us?
Yes.
Why did you read the letter then?
It's not even the GMD. This is so highly disrespectful.
Let the chairman is addressing it.
We commend you for writing and to be here physically. That's quite respectful. But how can the GMD be talking to us through you in writing? You are not his aide. Let's respect each other. The issues here are multifaceted. Well, no, we don't want to even talk about the villa. You know, he goes to the villa, he's called by the president, he must answer. That's not even it. But the communication should come to us respectfully. He didn't sign this letter. No GMD will ever be bigger than the National Assembly. Please.
Not even the president.
The president himself is not bigger than the National Assembly. That's why he comes to the National Assembly. We are the symbol of democracy. And for crying out loud, this we are doing at the end of the day is going to help NNPC. Like he said, you intend to go to the market. Your books must be scrutinized. And these books are not right. It's as simple as that. Contained in your audited financial statement, NNPC was charging subsidy on crude oil, charging subsidy on other petroleum products. Contained in your audited financial statement. We want these issues sorted out. We've got so many other things to do. You have no constituents. We have constituents. So the GMD of NNPC is hereby called upon to appear before this committee tomorrow at 3 p.m. Anything other than that, the committee will do what is available to it by law. It's as simple as that.
Okay, thank you.
So be it. So be it.